Hello everyone and welcome in Annecy. Let's start our virtual tour of the city by the lake, since it's the most visited place around in the area. On your right you can spot the famous bridge, the Pont des Amours, where most people come, and behind you is the Parquet Park. Located at 440 meters high, the lake is the second largest in France and one of the purest. Did you know that 90% of the running water of the area comes from the lake? That's about 1% of the lake's total capacity pumped every year. You can also spot the casino, the big white building far away from here. Let's just visit it. We're now in front of the Imperial Palace. This building was built in 1913 and is both a hotel and casino. Just imagine the view that you have from a room there. Behind us is the wonderful lake and the closest cities here. A lot of flowers in this early spring season. We're still in front of the casino that is behind you and by the lake behind me. We can also spot the Mount Semnoz this way, which is the closest ski resort to Annecy, and many parents bring their kids there to teach them how to ski. Why not fly there? We're now flying on top of Mount Semnoz that you can spot just in front of us. On the left is the whole Aravis Range mountains, and you can easily spot the Mont Blanc on a clear bright day such as this one. Behind us is the Lake of Annecy. We'll soon continue our visit to the Gorge du Fier, one of the main touristic areas around Annecy. So here we are. Just look at the canyon, very profound canyon just in front of us. And the water color is just amazing and so clear and transparent. Shall we make our way back to the city center? Here we are, flying over the Thur river that goes from the lake and crosses most of the old town. On the left is the castle that we are gonna visit in a minute. It's actually a museum now. On our way to the castle, we will walk along the Canal de Bassée, one of the main canals around the city. There is no wonder why Annecy is called the Little Venice of the Alps. Just look at how transparent the water is, and you can actually spot many fishes through its surface. We have made our way to the castle. It's a very big monument that now hosts a lot of art collections, from natural history to animation films. And it's actually the most visited building in Annecy. We will now take some height again and admire the castle from above and the whole city before flying to our final spot, the Col de la Forclaz. Alright, so we are now taking off from our final spot, the Col de la Forclaz. This pass is probably the most famous around Annecy, and the view is the most beautiful on the lake, especially on sunset. This is a spot of choice for paragliders to take off, and just imagine the flying sensations you can have. The Tournette summit with the snow is just on the right. And this will be our final time-lapse for the sunset around the pass. So we hope you enjoy the visit, and we will let you appreciate the serenity of the area. See you soon in Annecy!